You will be amazed by this 2020 Landrover Defender. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Landrover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, fog lamps. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Landrover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.